passenger seat got fixed today. It's ready to go. And I did some buffing. Not a lot, but I started on it. This thing's a lot worse than I expected. Can you tell the line? This thing needs a lot of work. We got started on it.